Alright guys, I'll come back to this chart here in a minute. However, I'm gonna do the short interest update first. Hopefully I will do this in one take. My dog might be going crazy at some point, but I apologize. I might not cut it out. But let's go through this. So today is a short interest update for GME. Obviously, welcome to the weekend. It's the 10th of March 2023 on a Friday. And yeah, I totally expect it to go a lot lower. I always expect it to go lower because of the whole market, right? I'll show you the chart for S&P later on, and we'll go from there as well. So we end the trading day at 1725, down about 1.5% there. After hours, up a little bit, not much. And if you look at the intra trading day, the price level, it seems like they're trying to walk it down $1 at a time. So be expectant of the lower price. Let's see, and then what else? Let's go down here. Obviously, the total shorted share is being shorted is the same. Day to cover is the same. Short percentage is still the same. Now, 600,000 shares is being traded today. I mean, off exchange that are short. And so, yeah, new shares is being added, or new short is being added every day. But for some reason, this never changed, right? So what are they doing there, right? How? So, and of course, look at this. Close to 70% of what you see today in GME is off exchange. So, yeah, you don't get to see that price action. So let's look at what's happening here, right? I'll come back to this candle later, but let's look at the daily, right? Of course, the 30 30-minute candle right here to kind of show you what's going on today. Well, let's go with the 1-minute candle. But if you take a look at this, and as you can see, there's so many gaps in between and a little tick here and there that makes no sense at all, like, right? Now, I mean, you could kind of like say that, oh, it's just a low volume stock. The volume is really low, like nobody really actually want to either buy or sell this thing, right? But for some reason, look, when it sells way so quickly, and there's no price point. Like if you buy, it's like concentrating in a certain level here, right? It's kind of gapping up. So why is that? Like, why is it like that? I'm very curious as to, if anybody knows what's going on here, please let me know. Like I really want to know why it's gapping up like crazy like that, right? But nothing much here. It's just the same old. But what I really wanted to show you here is this. So there's a trend line. Obviously, again, I'm not a TA person, meaning like a technical analysis person. So please do not take this as a trade advice or anything. Because I'm just learning as I go here. So what I've noticed here is the kind of diversion here, right? So high, low, and it hits that trend line right here. Now you could say that this is also hitting a trend line, but of course, it's not perfect. And so the same way right here. So you have low. This one didn't hit, right? But it still come down here. And then high, low, high, higher, even higher here. So low, lower, lower, even lower here. See what I mean? So there's some correlation there. So what am I trying to draw on the correlation there? Now, there is a possibility that it might hit here. down here before it goes up again. So around $15 or $14 there, in order for this to continue to hit that trend line again and then go up, right? Why must it be like that? Well, because it's kind of lined up perfectly here, perfectly before the earnings, right? If you look at that, right here, right? Earnings after hours anyway, but yeah, so earnings is right there. So yeah, just to keep in mind, again, this is why I think that they are trying to walk it down as far as they can in order to hit that trend line here. But it's not guaranteed that it will go down that far. You know, who knows? But again, the possibility of going the price going lower is pretty high due to the market crash, obviously. So when people are panic selling S&P 500 and everything, every other thing will go down along with it. So just be prepared for that crash as well. But hey, if you could find some company that has great fundamental, but the price keep falling, that, in my humble opinion, is a opportunity, right? Because you have to separate the price of the stock with the actual company. Okay, if the company is doing well, that's all you need to focus on, right? And how do you know? Well, you look the balance sheet. Look at the balance sheet. Are they growing revenue? Are they paying off debt? Are they still having debt? How much debt do they have? Is it manageable? What type of leadership do you have? So those are the important things that you have to pay attention to your company. The price, of course, you want to know if you're buying high, you're buying at a correct price, right? So those things are a bit ambiguous because, if other people are willing to pay a higher price, of course the pricing is going to go higher. See what I mean? But anyway, I'm babbling on and on today, so I'm just going to end it here. Obviously, I am thankful that all of you have been watching my video, and thank you for subscribing as well. I will see you tomorrow or Sunday. I know I promised myself to do one video a day, but yes, so definitely some video is going to come out tomorrow. Won't be an update because, of course, the market's not open. Anyway, I'll let you go now. Okay, bye.